our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.